France possesses a variety of fighter jets that are indispensable in combat or military activities. A large number of them have been sent to different nations. France may be at war with Russia, after indicating that it would send troops to support Kyiv in Ukraine. In addition to planning to engage in the conflict in Ukraine, the NATO nation has fought in other conflicts, particularly in counterterrorism operations. These are the fighter aircraft that France has been using and continues to use in combat. 1. The Rafale aircraft. Designed and produced by Dassault Aviation France, the Rafale is a multirole fighter jet belonging to the 4.5 generation. One of the most sophisticated fighter aircraft in the world, the Dassault Rafale has stealth capabilities, sophisticated ballistic protection systems, and modern fire control systems. Syria, Mali, and Libya have all seen combat deployments of the Rafale. 2. The Mirage 2000. Dassault Aviation France created and produced the fourth-generation multirole fighter jet, known as the Mirage 2000. Known for its effectiveness as a fighter jet, the Mirage 2000 is exported to numerous nations. In Iraq, Yugoslavia, and Libya, the Mirage 2000 has seen action. 3. The Dassault Falcon 3. Dassault Aviation France is the company that designed and produces the Mirage 3 fighter jet, a second-generation aircraft. Additionally, the Mirage 3 has been exported to a number of nations. The Mirage 3 saw action in South Africa, Pakistan, and the Israeli-Palestinian conflict. 4. The Peugeot 310 Étendard. Dassault Aviation France is the designer and manufacturer of the Super Étendard, a marine strike fighter jet. During the Falklands War, the French Navy deployed the Super Étendard in action. 5. Jaguar Sepacat. The UK and France collaborated to design and produce the Sepacat Jaguar, a ground attack fighter aircraft. During the First Gulf War, the French Air Force deployed the Jaguar in battle.